MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. Today I would like to show you this winning strategy that will surely make you money if you will follow the simple rule. It is simple and anyone can use this. I've combined two indicators together to come up with this winning strategy. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain to you in detail on how to use these Forex tools. Do you need a funded account without the need to pay for any trial account? Look no further. At Axi Select, you do not need to pay any money for your account to be funded. You hear me loud and clear. Just deposit a minimum of $500 on your live account and trade. Once your e-score is 50, you can create a new allocation account where the allocation funds are going to be transferred into. Axi Select is an all-in-one capital allocation program that helps you get funded up to $1 million, and you can keep up to 90% of any profit made on this funded account. Prove you are consistent and that you manage your risk very well. Then you are on your way to having access to the allocated fund. Are you new to the world of trading? Axi Select has got you covered, as it offers a free academy where you can learn the fundamentals of trading, both technical and fundamental analysis, starting your trading career with confidence. Additionally, they provide demo accounts, allowing you to test your trading strategy without the fear of losing your hard-earned money. Once you've developed your trading skills and you are confident in your trading strategies, then you can apply it to your live trading accounts, boosting your chances of trading profitably. What are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description box below and sign up to trade with Axi Capital. Sign up now to claim exclusive offers and start your journey towards financial success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to thrive in the world of finance with Axi Select. Join now. Here is a strategy to win your trading on a daily basis, and then you can use this strategy on Axi Select. It is a simple strategy and it can be used on any brokers that is regulated or registered, and you can trade profitably using these two indicators that I've combined together. With this, you can win any funded account, and it is good for your own personal account. Now let me show you how to use these two indicators that I've combined together. The indicators does not repaint, so it make it a good strategy that you can use to trade profitably. Here is a simple way on how to use this strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do not forget to turn on the notification button and do give me a thumb up. Now let me show you how to use these particular indicators that I've combined together. I have two indicators here, this one with net and the other indicator that has band and the arrow. So I use this indicator, I combine both together to come up with this winning strategy. The arrows does not repaint, the white and the right arrow does not repaint. And what you are going to do is this: anytime you want to take any trade, either buy or sell, you make sure that you have the candles at the lower band for a buy, followed by white arrow. So at this white net, we have white net here because the trade has been trending. This is a buy signal here, and this is another point to enter this particular trade in the direction of the main a trend, and we have the white net here for additional confirmation, then your take profit will be at the upper band. That will be where your take profit is, or at the opposite signal, or when you see the arrow in opposite direction, then you can get out of your trade. So this is how to use this particular strategy. At this particular point, we have another point to enter more trade here. White net, then we have the two arrows here also for a buy, and this is a good strategy to win consistently. If you want to make money, make sure you use this strategy and allow the candle to close before you place any trade. As you can see, this candle is forming right now and we have the arrow already. Do not enter this trade until the arrow close, then until the candle close rather, and the arrow will not disappear. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and you can go back a bit to check the history. And if you want to scalp with this particular strategy, what I normally do is this: I will demarcate where I see the signal on the higher time frame, maybe on 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame. I can demarcate that if I want to scalp, and go back to lower time frame to trade this particular strategy. For instance, I have a buy signal generated here at this particular time. Now let me demarcate it, and I'll go back to 5 or 1 minute time frame to check if this signal is accurate or not. So I'm going to disconnect so that we'll be able to check the history. Now let me go back to 5 minutes time frame first. Here is my demarcation from a 15-minute time frame. Here's where I have it. This is the demarcation. This is the point. And the only trade I'm going to take here is buy. And the first point for me to place a trade is a candle after this line. I have another signal or candle here, and the white arrow with the white net for a buy. Here is another opportunity to enter more trade. Here is another opportunity to enter more trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the net, and you will ride your trend. If you want to scalp on 1 minute time frame, if you don't like 5 minutes, then you can check even the signal on 5 minutes and go back to 1 minute to scalp. Now let's go back to 1 minute time frame and see this particular setup, how it plays out. So let's go to where we demarcated it. Okay, yes, this is where we demarcated it on the 5 minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. So the next buy you are going to take is this. We have the white arrow here and the white net, and your take profit is going to be at the upper band, or when you see opposite arrow, then you can get out of the trade. Here is another buy setup. Here is another buy setup. Here is another one. So we have multiple points to place our trade using this particular strategy on lower time frame. As you can see, we have a lot of points where we can place our trade. Here is another point to enter buy. Here buy, because the net remains white, so you keep on placing order for buy and get out at the opposite signal with the arrow here. You can get out on lower time frame. And this is how to use this particular strategy. The indicator I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. You can download it, and the template. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.